Carry your girlfriend. What happened?
Leave that your nonsense friend. He's not man enough. Why would you even travel without telling me? And now I'm here. Hey, we are close by. Are you sure? Okay, I'm waiting. Just hurry up. I'm waiting.
Glad.
Oyiko, what's up?
Sorry, the paradise. What's happening now?
Isn't not this my boyfriend? He traveled. He did not even tell me. Now I'm here. I'll not stand there and be waiting for him. I mean, too, I'm tired.
Now I'm going to go the verse for now. Come go rest on my side. Maybe when he's back, you now come down back.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Hey, thank you very much. Thank you.
Wait, don't worry. I'll die for you.
Thank you. Hey, don't mind this, my boyfriend. You should better hurry up. So tired.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Stay at home. Relax, and when it comes, you can go down back and meet him. Yeah, I know you are tired already.
Very tired. Yeah. Your place is nice.
Thank you. Sorry, what can I offer you? So use that to relax. I know you are tired from the trip.
Water is fine.
Water, have you?
Yeah. Does a massage.
For who?
For me, from you.
No problem, I know you are joking. Let me get the water for you.
You are the essence. I will definitely get you. Shebi, I'm in this house.
Obìnrin!
Thank you. Please help me open it. Thank you.
Try and call your boyfriend, and maybe he's close, so you can go and meet him. What happened?
He's no longer connecting.
Maybe it's network and you keep trying it now.
But since the number is not connecting, the massage. I'm very tired. Please.
I'm not starting to do massage now. My friend, girlfriend, being now. I can't depress. Oh no, it's not right now. Oh, watch movie with you. When your boyfriend comes, you go down and go meet him. I beg. Massage. I better try the number again. Oh, wow.
Oh.
What happened again?
His number is still not connecting. And it's after 10 already. Hey.
Wow.
Anyways, let me just go and look for where to lodge. It's late.
You want to go and lodge?
Yes.
Before about you go and pay and your boyfriend now come, what will happen? And you can, this is one bedroom apartment, you can stay in my room. Then I will sleep here in the parlor. If you're okay with it too, before your boyfriend will come.
Are you serious about this?
I'm serious now.
I can sleep here.
No, you be in the room, I'll be in the parlor. No, let me just arrange the room.
Okay.
Let me arrange the room.
Wow. I'll spend the night with him. Yes.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
5 years of madness.
Jesus! What are you here?
I was alone inside the room. I'm scared. Please come and join me in the room.
Just come and join the room, Ali. Go, I'm coming.
Are you coming?
Coming, go.
I'm scared though.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Come on.
I'm coming, go.
Just stay there. When your boyfriend come, open the door. This is past 2 p.m. Maybe by 6, 7. Open the door. Sleep well, yeah?
I'm scared.
Hey, don't worry. Sleep well. Me, you put for trouble. If you like, for the door, I will open it. Once it's 7 a.m., 8 a.m., your boyfriend coming, you are going home. Thank you. Go and sleep, oh.
I cannot sleep.
Hey, yeah. Sorry, yeah?
You don't come. At the big I come now.
Carry your girlfriend.
What happened?
Leave that your nonsense friend. He's not man enough.
He's not man enough.